Jackson 2023. Muscle up. Subscribe, share the channel, leave a comment, let me know what you think, what your favorite car is, and pick you up some merch at bigherc916.com. Lexus LFA at the Barrett Jackson. Let's see what this thing goes for. Beautiful car. Spec just right with that, looks like that camel interior. Giving you guys a sneak peek on Muscle Up. Barrett Jackson 2023. Gonna be some big money coming through here today. Actually, my bad. During the week. It hasn't even started yet. This is Sunday and this goes on till next Sunday. Some more of the cars that's gonna be up for auction. These cars will probably go, they call it Super Saturday. That's when all the big money cars come through here. 2005 Porsche Carrera GT. This is a Nardi Gray F40. Pretty sick spec. Be interesting to see what this goes for. GT40. This is a 2024 GT Carbon Series. This car will most likely go for close to 2 milli, or at least 1.8, I predict. So this is a 2015 Custom of the Year, 1956 Lincoln Continental Mark II. Look at the stance on that. Beautiful car. Check this out. This is a 67 Ford Galaxy called Desert Star. Look at the engine bay. Man, that's a work of art. And the interior is just as pretty. I can't get too close because they got this car roped off. 73 Challenger. Pretty color, and it's got a Magnuson supercharger. Interior looks all Pro Touring. Man, I had a 73 Challenger too, a purple one. Kind of regret selling it now. They have a lot of SUVs here, man. A lot of SUVs, a lot of trucks. K5s. Broncos. This is clean right here. That's the cool thing about Barrett Jackson. You see a lot of cars that you don't normally see here, one-off. That's a clean 56 F100 Ford. This is Gateway Bronco booth. And they got a lot of Broncos over here. These have become the SUV to modify. They put all kind of modern drivetrains in them. This one has a Coyote. Take a peek around. Clean K5. Take a look at this. This is a 78 Custom Blazer. It's pretty badass. I can't really get a good look at it because of the... So it's a 78, but it's hard to get a really good look at it because of the lights in here are crazy. I'll see if I can get a peek inside for you guys. We got an Eleanor. Gone in 60 seconds. Looks pretty up to standard. So it says it's an officially licensed car. Looks like a Super from Fast and Furious. They didn't even detail this thing up. It's hella dirty. I don't know if it's the actual one from the movie. It's probably a knockoff. It's got a 70 Challenger. This thing is pretty clean. Looks like it's more of a resto mod. Two carburetors, probably 2 4-barrels. Take a look at the interior. Interior has been updated somewhat. The paint job on this is clean though. It's got a nice candy to it. Got a clean Lincoln over here. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, this is nice, you guys. Beautiful interior. Yeah, if you want a Lincoln, this is the one to get. Clean. LSX. Engine compartment is very clean on also. It's a clean Corvette, man. Not overly done up, but it looks like it's got just the right modifications to it. Interior is nice. I just wish I could fit in these. They got a 69 Camaro. Beautiful car. Kind of a old school paint scheme with the two-tone. You don't really see these nowadays when you restore a car. It's probably an older restoration, but still clean. Interior is very comfortable. Let me know what you guys think. This Chevelle right here has a mean offset. Check out the meats on this car. Wow. I'm gonna have to find out what offset he has on this. 70. Bad boy. It's got the fuel cell back there with the return fuel line, so it's ready to go. 69 Shelby GT350. These are one of my favorite Mustangs. I know they're not super hot on the collector list, but they are coming up. And you know, I just like the way they did them, man. I love that body style. Another clean Camaro. It's got the hood scoop, so it must have maybe a high-rise intake. 68. Clean paint, and I like the way they kind of color coordinated the bumpers. Gives it more of a modern look. Nice offset in the rear. Disc brakes. Interesting Porsche for sale. I've actually seen, I think this one on YouTube somewhere else. 65 911. There is a history behind this called the Pink Pig, and in 73 24-hour Le Mans, the 917, I believe, had the same paint scheme. So it's kind of a tribute to that 1973 Le Mans. Now I have to squat down to get this Charger, but take a look at this. Look how low it is. Can you guys see how tucked this car is? Wow, man. I want to give you guys a perspective of how low this car is. Look at this, man. My God. Sick. This has got to be one of the sickest cars here. It's got a 730 horsepower NASCAR motor with a 5-speed Tremec. Got a couple more 67 Eleanor. Got another Eleanor body style, but with the black and the red. Can't get enough of these cars, man. So if I overwhelm you with them, let me know. Got another 70 Chevelle. This one's clean too, it's convertible. Beautiful lines on it, and it's straight as an arrow. It's hard to get this color right because if the body's not straight, it's gonna show in the paint. What up? Big Herc 916. Valentine's is right around the corner. What are you gonna do for your significant other, or for your husband, or for your wife, for your girlfriend, for your boyfriend, for your side piece? Do something special. Go to BigHerc916.com and get a bar of that wash your ass soap, because there's nothing worse than a funky ass on Valentine's. You want that ass to smell fresh, clean, so that when you guys are doing your thing, busting cheeks, you know you did the right thing.